Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best way to manage your 3D models from Rhino to Revit or Revit to Rhino. I would like to create like a playlist to have multiple videos to show how to work between the Rhino and Revit. We will start with the family massing. If you want to create like a complex or any model from Rhino, you can receive it directly in Revit in a family mass. And of course, any updates happen in Rhino, it will reflect in Revit. So let's get started. Okay, so here's our Revit empty file, starting with Rhino, the plugin. We will use the plugin Rhino.Inside Revit. Start the Rhino. I'm using Rhino 8. And here's like simple geometry that we will work on our exercise and practice today. So if I want to, apply this here in Revit and make it like a smart object or applicable for Revit to read and apply as surfaces and read it as a family, we need to use the Grasshopper, which is the link between the Rhino and Revit. There is like two ways to put the geometry, or maybe more than two ways. But for now, the two ways to send the geometry from Rhino to Revit. The first one is simple. You need just to search for the component, add direct shape, pair. Then right click, set multiple pair, and right click. And you will find it here. But this way, you cannot work on it as a Revit mesh. If you want to pick a wall surface, or if you want to create a system, glazing or something, it's not readable. You can use this way if you want to just keep like fixed geometry, decorative stuff or something that you don't want to edit or work on it in Revit. So that was the first first method. That the second method is, which is more advanced. It's for uh, okay. The second method is a small script. It's advanced, so you can take this model into Revit and make the Revit read it as a Revit mesh or something, so we can work on it more advanced. So search for new component family. The template, we will keep it as it is. The name, rename it as any name you want. Let's say tower. Category, right click. Uh, mass, okay. Geometry, set multiple geometry, right click. Overwrite if something overlapping an intersection between the two geometry, but in our case, we don't have any intersections. Then after that, the family types. Let's take this family. We are saying like we are telling the Rhino that we are converting your geometry to the family type. Then the next step is we need to like tell him more information that where do you want to keep in Revit? Where do you want me to place the that geometry or that object? So search for add component, look for location. Location, we will work on plane X, Y, then connect it to the type, then the level, which is in your Revit file that you have it set and ready to use. Let's say level 1, and there's something Yeah, we forgot to press enter in Revit. So I believe it's loading. Okay, make sure that one missing step that I forgot to mention, the template is the family template that you want. In our case, it's a Revit metric mass. In the documents, program data, Autodesk, Revit the version, the family template, and conceptual mass, which is our template that we want in the Revit. So as you can see here, it's the mass applied here. And if you move in Rhino, it will apply in Revit. It will update it, and you can see the results immediately. Okay, let's apply the floors. So in this case, we have 2 floors only. Let's go and increase. Let's increase the number of floors. Okay, I think let's. Hmm, yeah, I think this is enough. Okay, so select, just press Shift and one click, and you can have your floors. So let's try updating something in Rhino. You increase the shape, the floors will be updated. Okay, I would like to remove this part. Oh, okay, so the Revit will read it as a one geometry. In this case, we have to repick our, our geometry. And if you would like to add another geometry, you can extract this, extract parameter, copy, and come here and select another one and connect it with holding the shift. So let's work on this geometry first. So let's apply again the floors, try with some curtain wall, create. Okay, base, wall, base, or let's make this as a curtain wall. Mhm. Oh, okay. So I think need required a system, not only a glass, because maybe there is a tilting. Yeah, it's not a straight wall, so it's curved. So better to use the curtain system, not the wall system, if you have inclination or the wall is tilted. Okay. Next step is mhm, like this. Okay, what if we changed something in the Rhino? Let's say the width. Okay. So the floors will be updated, but the curtain wall, you need to just press update to face. Even the walls, you will need to press update to face. Okay, that's it. What if we add some dramatic effect? Let's see. Okay, the floor is okay, so this would not. Yeah, the curtain wall accepted that change, but the wall, because the wall is because the wall is is a straight wall. It's not designed to be curved or tilted. So it's better to have it like a certain, like a curtain wall. Then if you want it solid, you can easily change the system and do whatever you want in this section. And the curtain panel, make it solid. Ah, okay, so I forgot to duplicate the type. So we can have this is as a solid, just hide the mass. Okay, yeah. And this one, let's duplicate it. So this one is glazed. And yeah, so this one you can use it if you start the concept idea of geometry, or if you have someone in your office, your mate, your colleague working in Rhino, you can use it, take this and use this script so you can be coordinated in a team. And if any change happen with this project, everyone should be coordinated in the right way. Okay, that's for today. See you next one.